Hello, everyone, welcome back to Luxurious Cars, where we dive deep into the world of high-end automotive design and performance. Today, we have something truly exciting to discuss the 2025 Hyundai Verna Turbo facelift, an exciting new chapter for one of Hyundai's most popular sedans. Let's jump straight into it. Starting with the front design. The 2025 Verna Turbo features a bold and aggressive facelift that immediately grabs attention. The new front grille is wider and sharper, creating a more dynamic stance. The grille is now complemented by sleek, split LED headlights with sharp DRLs, which give the car an almost futuristic look. There's also a more sculpted bonnet that enhances the muscular appeal of the car. These changes bring an added sense of sportiness and sophistication to the Verna. Moving along the side profile, the 2025 Verna continues to showcase its fluidic design language. The smooth curves and precise lines define its silhouette. It now sits on larger, more athletic wheels that perfectly complement the sedan's stance. The side skirts have been subtly reworked, giving it a more planted, stable look. The chrome strip running along the window line adds a touch of luxury, enhancing the Verna's premium feel. As we step towards the rear, the most striking update is the new LED tail lights, which stretch across the rear of the car, giving it a wider, more commanding presence on the road. The rear bumper has been redesigned, with sportier elements like a new diffuser and integrated exhaust tips that emphasize the performance-oriented character of the Verna Turbo. Hyundai has also updated the rear boot lid, featuring a more sculpted design, contributing to the car's overall sporty aesthetic. When we talk about performance, the 2025 Hyundai Verna Turbo doesn't just look aggressive, it backs it up with impressive capabilities. Powered by a turbocharged engine, the Verna offers a thrilling driving experience. Combined with Hyundai's advanced suspension tuning, the car promises a smooth yet engaging ride that makes it perfect for both city drives and spirited highway runs. In conclusion, the 2025 Hyundai Verna Turbo facelift is a stunning evolution of a popular model. With its sportier, more refined design and enhanced performance, this new Verna is set to take the market by storm. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more luxurious car content. See you next time.